Factorize x to the power 6 minus 1 into linear factors. X to the power 6 equal to x cube square minus 1 square. So a square minus b square formula. We apply a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. We apply this formula here. Here a equal to x cube and b equal to 1. Now x cube minus 1 cube means a cube minus b cube. We apply here a cube minus b cube formula, means a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, and a cube plus b cube equal to formula a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Applying all these three formula, we get this. Now x square plus x plus 1 equal to x square minus omega plus omega square x plus 1. This is the cube root of unity, where omega cube is the cube root of unity. So here omega plus omega square equal to minus 1. Omega plus omega square equal to minus 1. Omega cube is equal to 1. Omega is the cube root of unity, and here the formula, we know that the formula 1 plus omega square equal to 0. So omega plus omega square equal to minus 1. So applying this formula, we get this. So x minus x omega square plus omega cube, and x taking common here, and here omega square, we get this. So x square minus x plus 1, like this we get this also, and x to the power 6 minus 1 equal to, this is the answer. Thank you.